Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making seafood mac and cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 1 pound of shrimp, 1/2 pound of cooked lobster, 1/2 pound of cooked crab, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of onion, 1 cup of half and half, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of butter, 6 ounces of Gruyere cheese, 6 ounces of Munster cheese, 6 ounces of mild cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring to a boil. Now add your macaroni and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. Turn off your heat, then drain your water from the macaroni, then set it aside. Lightly grease a baking dish, then add your macaroni. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and mix until well coated. Now add the crab, lobster, and shrimp. Season with the pepper, Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and set it aside until later. Using medium-low heat, bring your frying pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now saute your onions until they are just translucent. Add the garlic, then saute for an additional minute. Now whisk in your flour. Now add the half and half and continue to whisk until well combined. Add your 3 cheeses and continue to cook until your cheese has melted. Pour the cheese sauce over the macaroni and mix well. Cover and transfer to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil, then allow it to cook for an additional 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove it from the oven and now it is ready to serve. Seafood mac and cheese is one of my favorite dishes, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.